Welcome to Phone Transformer, where I will guide you through exactly how to access downloads on Android so you can find your saved files in seconds. Whether you are looking for a PDF or a saved image, this guide has you covered, so now let's get started. For method 1, step 1, open the Google Files app, which is the default file management tool found on most modern Android devices. Step 2, click on the download option found right on the main dashboard under the categories section of the app. This specific folder is where the system automatically sends any file that you have grabbed from an external source or website. Type files, My Files, Documents, or Downloads into the search bar. If you are having trouble finding the application on your home screen, using the search function is the fastest way to navigate your device when you have many apps installed. Go to download, and here you can find all your downloads neatly organized by date or file size for easy viewing. This area is the final destination for your saved data, allowing you to open, share, or delete your files as needed. For method 2, step 1, open the Chrome app on your smartphone to access the history of files you have specifically downloaded through the browser. This is a great alternative if you want to find a file you just saw on a web page without digging through system folders. Step 2, tap the 3 dots icon in the top right corner of the browser window to reveal the main settings and tools menu. This menu provides quick access to your browsing history, bookmarks, and most importantly, your recent file activity. Step 3, select downloads from the list to see a dedicated history of every image, document, and installer you have handled through Chrome. This view is incredibly helpful because it often includes a direct link back to the website where the file originated. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.